Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to play Xbox Game Pass games on your mobile phone. So if you want to play the Xbox Game Pass on your phone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So you can now play the Xbox Game Pass on your phone using the cloud gaming or remote play. So here's the first method, which is where you want to use the Xbox cloud gaming, which node console. Here's the required step. It requires Xbox Game Ultimate Pass. So once you have that, then set up your cloud gaming, then open your browser, go to www.xbox.com/play, then sign in with your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate account. Then on step 2, choose and play a game. So browse the Game Pass library, then select a cloud compatible games, connect a Bluetooth controller or use the touch format or use the touch control if supported, then tap play and start gaming instantly. Then on the second method, which is Xbox remote play for games installed on the console. So it requires an Xbox console. So after that, then enable the remote play on your Xbox, then turn on your Xbox, go to settings, under settings go to device, under device go to connection, and under device and connection, then click on remote features, then enable remote features and set power mode to start on. Then on step 2, you have to connect your phone, install the Xbox app on your phone, then sign in with your Xbox account, tap the console icon and select remote play on this device. Then now you can now play Xbox Games Pass games on your mobile phone anytime. That's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.